Paper Cup Garden. Today is June 10th, and here is what I have left of my hostas from seeds. These are all from the number 5 hosta, which has resprouted nicely over there. Here's the hostas for the season. Just going to be transferring these now to a pot to leave outdoors in hopes that they can do a little bit better. They haven't gotten much bigger since they sprouted, really. So let's see what we can do. Once again, you're going to want to get underneath the roots. Make sure you're getting the whole root out. I've already filled the pot mostly with some topsoil from the garden. But after I get them in here, I'm just going to pot around the top of them with some of the Miracle Grow to give it some nice fertilized soil. Which should hopefully, oh, that one came out of the root, but there you can see the whole roots that I got there. Just going to give it a light on top. And then once they're in, I give it a quick soaking. Just going to move it over so it only gets partial light in the afternoon. Now it's shaded by the house. Thank you for watching the Paper Cup Garden's quick potting of the hostas from seed. As always, if you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.